Yes, bruv. So yeah, welcome back to another video, man. Today I took two losses again, just like on Monday, but today it's a bit of a different situation. This is where psychology comes in, because I know my strategy very well and I know what it states, but I broke the rules and I paid the price today. So, but thank God though, I actually learned a lot from taking that loss, and I was learning psychology at the same time. So having that happen at the same time, I really thank God for the lesson. But let me get into the breakdown of the two trades. The one trade is really just a fumble, like literally a fumble. But let me get straight to it. So on the daily, there isn't much for me to look at, but I do know we swept liquidity on this daily internal high, and you can see the reaction that sellers coming in, so we could see a pullback to the downside. But that's just it for the daily for me. And then dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we broke and closed above here, and we could see a pullback. And after that liquidity sweep, this is where the pullback could come in. But I couldn't tell. I can just, I can just think this is what's going to happen on the 4-hour time frame and predict. I like to stay on the M15 and allow it to guide me. So this is what the 4-hour time frame just looked like for me. So I just dropped down to my M15 time frame to piece in together, what I could see happen today. And then, bro, what is price? Why is it doing that, man? It was around here when I was, I can't wait for when TradingView is asking for money just so I can replay. But yeah, so getting onto the M15, the M15 is bearish. Price is currently pulling back, and it hasn't pulled back far enough, right? There's resting liquidity above here, all around here. And just from a perspective of liquidity, I was looking to see price actually at least target that liquidity, right? And which made so much sense since price is pulling back, and I had bullish structure, right? The structure was bearish over here, but then it switched bullish right here. So I was looking to see price obviously follow in with the bullish structure and target the high. So playing out price around here, I got impatient. I don't know what convinced me to think price is gonna sell. This was actually such an invalid trade. It's embarrassing, man. It's embarrassing, but this is a psychology matter. I know I shouldn't take a trade here, but psychology kicked in. So then I took a sell just at around here. I'm not even gonna get deep into this sell with literally a tight stop loss. And yeah, this is how it ended up. But in knowing that, and then obviously reverting back to what I actually wanted to do, I realized price had swept liquidity down here. And then I was just waiting for price to give me confirmation to buy. And then boom, price gave me exactly what I wanted. The zone for me was literally this last bearish candle. It's really this big candle, but I was looking to see price maybe respect this small little zone right here. And then I actually set my order right here. I set my order right there. I had linked it to this being the M5 zone for me, but because as price actually pushed up, I saw the liquidity that was being created, and when there's liquidity already, I can just set my order, right? But usually I'd rather wait to see if price would pull back and create more liquidity in the zone so I can enter. But I actually set my order just around here with my target at the high. And then price played on, mitigated me into the trade, targeting the high, and then price pushed up. Look at this. And as price came about just about here, it started dropping, and it looked like it was gonna take me out. But that was just a liquidity sweep, and then price started pushing high again. I was still holding the trade at this point, but then price did this again, went and made another high, pushed lower, and this is when I moved my stop loss to just around here. So I got taken out because I actually broke a rule here. In my rules, I'm supposed to keep the stop loss. I'm not supposed to touch the trade at all. I should let it run to a loss or to the winning, to my TP, to my SL or to my TP. And since I had gotten taken out here, and then realizing after that this was actually psychology matter, you know, like I was trying to avoid pain. You know, that's one of the things that you need to learn. You need to learn the trader's mind and the normal mind, because the normal mind, we all have it, but the trader's mind is something that you have to learn and equip yourself with. So from there, I was really like, okay, let me at least observe the trade now that I'm out. But I didn't really want to be out. I'd rather let it run to a loss because that's what my plan says. So then, as you can see, price did not even hit my stop loss. Guess what? Bam. Goes straight to the T. Like, boy, what the heck, boy. But yeah, and this is one of the things that ruins your edge. Because if you're going to take half losses in avoiding pain and it's actually a winning trade, and you've been taking losses throughout the whole week, that ruins your edge, because this could be the trade that breaks even, and then the next trade could be a winning trade or a losing trade. But let's say it's a winning trade, and then you're in profits and you can cut off for the week. But since you took a loss here, you're in a downward spiral of losses now. But that was pretty much it for the day. And I'm actually going to start dropping psychology videos, just explaining a bit of trading psychology. But thank you for watching though. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. And